Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lishi. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today's video I will just be doing some tidying up, cleaning up the house because it was a mess that day, and I will be doing voiceovers throughout the video because I think that you all like that on other YouTubers videos, so I'm going to try to do that myself. But let's get into this video. I got this yesterday from Walmart, and it's the wood scent, and it smells so good.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard.
Okay, so now I'm just trying to clear this little section over here because it was just stocked with packages and whatnot, and then I move on to the pantry to stock it with drinks. I really need to do some pantry organization because my pantry is just looking wild and crazy.
I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh, maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late.
I just got this new scent of the Mrs. Meyer's in this scent lemon verbena, the multi-purpose cleaner spray. I like it, but my all-time favorite is the honeysuckle scent. If you have not tried the honeysuckle scent, then you definitely need to try it.
I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. I don't know why it's so damn hard being there for each other.
Okay, so the ceiling fan was freaking me out because I had looked up and I seen all the dust like on the blade parts of the ceiling fan, and then I seen like a spider web like around the light fixture. So I had to definitely clean it. So I'm getting all that taken care of.
Song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me.
Now I'm just vacuuming out the couch just to get all the crumbs and dog hair and everything out from under it. Socks, sometimes I find socks in the couch. But I'm just making sure that's good and clean. Now I'm just moving on to vacuuming the floor, the runner, and the rug. And these clips of this video that you all are seeing, these clips were from maybe a few months ago. And I just found them, so I decided to make a video out of them. And a little has changed since then, but not a lot. I forgot to show y'all the candles that I got from Big Lots. So I'm going to show y'all now. And then I also got this sign that I need to put up. This from Big Lots. I'm going to put that by the front door. And it was $8 at Big Lots. And I thought it was cute. And I like the natural tones in the fabric where it says keys, and it has hooks on it. Right here, got these candles from Big Lots, and I just thought they were really cute. And it says, come on, focus, handmade sandalwood cotton scented candle, and it just has the black top. And that's what it looks like. It's 2 wick. And it just smells really, really, really good. And it was on clearance for $3.99, regular price $6. And that's the brand Simple Electric. And I just got 2 of those because I like the packaging, and then I also like the scent. Sandalwood is one of my favorite scents. You hear the ice cream truck? Silly bat Charlie. What is that, huh? So cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. Charlie. Okay guys, so we're getting close to the end of this video, and I wanted to end the video with some laundry motivation, because I always have laundry piled up sitting in the basket. It's been washed, it's been dried, but I have not folded it or put it away. So this is what I'm doing. I have 2 baskets full of laundry, and I'm just folding it, and then I'm going to put it away. And I just thought maybe that you guys would like to see that, and then hopefully get some motivation to tackle your laundry. If you have it sitting around in a basket, just fold it and put it up. That's just the best way to get it taken care of. Fold it, put it up.
So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope I motivated you to get your house clean, get your laundry folded, and put away. I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.
That I don't wanna be your